Hi guys, Dev Essence here. In this video we're going to learn how to change background images using keyframes. You can see the background changing. Alright, let's dive into the code. Alright, I have already done a little bit of the CSS, so we don't have to make the video unnecessarily long. Let's look at the HTML. It's quite simple. We have a main div with the name background. Alright, let's just continue styling. We'll set the width to 100%, the height to 100 viewport height, the display of flex, and justify content to the center, and then we align items to the center. This brings all the content in our screen to the middle of the screen. Then we go over to our HTML to style the next container, which is the div called text. The div called text is housing all the text contents. So let's style that one. We set the width to 500 pixels. Then text align center. This centers all the text inside. Alright. We think we should do something about that link, which is the div class called link. Oops. Alright, let me copy this. I don't want it too close to the text, so I come over here, copy that link, and I will give it a margin top of 20 pixels. Okay, it's better now. Alright, let me explain what I did here. You can see my keyframes. At 0%, we added a background image. You can see where the background images are there in my images folder. So I used the / to navigate into my folder images, then the image itself. You can see how I placed them systematically. So we copy the keyframe name, then we place it in our main div, then use the animation property. We type in the animation name, then give it a duration of 20 seconds. Now you can see the background are already applied. Okay, to make sure this animation runs smoothly and continuously, we add the value infinite. Okay, then let's position everything to the center. Background position center, and background size, yeah, I should add that to cover, so you can see our images are now positioned right at the middle and it has covered the whole screen. So right now, when we played our opening video, you saw the background was a little bit dark. So let's make the background a little bit dark. Let's make the images a little bit dark. This is what we're going to do. We're going to use that empty div now with the name gradient, give it a position absolute, and for it to work, the main container has to be position relative. Set the top of the gradient to 0, the width to inherit, the height to inherit as well, and we'll give it a background using the RGBA. So set it to 0, 0, 0, then something a little bit dark, 0.7. Okay, now if you notice, the text is hiding behind the black like color. So to do that, to remove that, we set the text container to position absolute. I know you can't really see it now, but the text is outside that black background. So let's start the text P itself, the paragraph element. So text and P, oops, not that. All right, let's give it a color of white. All right, now you can see it very visibly. It is in front of the gradient. Then we can give it a font of 1.2 rem to make the text bold. And I can give it a line height of 20 pixels. Okay. And one thing again we're going to do is the link. Let's style the link. So we already have our link container. So link A, that's the anchor tag itself. Let's give it a color of black. All right, and a background of white. Then let's add some padding. I give it 10 pixels top and bottom, then 40 pixels left and right. We can add also border radius of 10 pixels. All right. If you found the video helpful, please leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.